What is up, Florida Outdoors people? Welcome. God damn it. Why did you point?
Point to the people.
Don't point at the people.
Alright, point to me then.
People don't want to be pointed at. Alright, what is up, Florida Outdoors people? Welcome back to the amazing and beautiful Florida Outdoors channel. You know this ugly mug. That is best friend Trevor. We are going to be doing something fun today. We're going to do some mudding, guys. Alright? Reason I brought him is I need a camera guy because, well, it's hard to film the outside of a truck when you're mudding by yourself. So, if you can hear it or see it in the back, we also got Trev's dog, Bill. He's a good boy.
Say hi, Bill.
He's kind of stinky, but he's a good boy. So, with that being said, guys, we are on our way to Osceola to do some mudding. So, I will catch you guys out there. See ya. All right, guys, we're about to go through our first little mud pit here. It's gonna be a little one. Let's just see how the new truck does with this. Let's get it, boys. Yee! Whew, that was nothing, guys. All right, guys, we're going through another one. Still in two-wheel drive. Let's see how the old truck does. Woo! That was a good one, wasn't it, guys? Woo! What do you think about that, best friend Trevor?
Oh, that was awesome. That was awesome. What do you think, Bill?
Bill's excited.
Approved.
All right, guys, let's hit the next one. All right, Trev, you ready to go through some sugar sand patches?
Oh, yeah.
Here we go. We're gonna try and stay in two-wheel drive on this one. Pretty bugs, guys. See if we can't spin the ass end out. Ooh. That two-wheel drive is really struggling a little bit here, guys. Whew. The new truck cannot be stopped. Green machine is still going. Woo! What do you think about that, Jack?
That was awesome.
Right? What do you think about that, Bill? Was that a good time? Good boy. All right, guys, let's hit the next one. All right, guys. So this time I'm gonna have best friend Trevor sitting outside the truck, and we're gonna hit these mud sand patches. And you're gonna get to see what that looks like with the green machine. All right? I'll catch you guys in a few seconds. Yay! All right, what is up, everyone? We kind of got out of the truck a little bit to take a little bit of a walk. As you guys know, I like to turkey hunt, so I turkey scout whenever I can, and we came across some tracks, but it is hot, guys. What do you think it is, Trev?
It's probably like 1,000 degrees.
It's probably about 1,000 degrees.
Especially out here in the wet woods.
Yeah, it's humid. We're in the shade right now, taking a water break, but it's rough. But we saw some turkey tracks, so that's fun. It is just so freaking dry, guys. We're dying here. So we're gonna go check out the little stream right up here, and then we're gonna head back to the truck. So hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I'll catch up with you in a bit. See ya. All right, guys, so as you can see, we're back at the house. Did some mudding. It was a great time. I really enjoyed that video. I got some cool prizes. I got a hog skull mount, or a hog skull that I'm gonna mount. So, oh, Mr. Bill says hi too. All right, well, with that being said, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in. Always remember, if you ain't wet, you ain't fishing in Florida. See ya. Oh man, guys, I got my hat wet.